Too small, too crowded, and too old. We are in Baku prison in Romania. 16 juveniles are living in this cell, and that is too many according to international standards.
De asemenea, suntem foarte tineri, 19-20 de ani, iar într-un asemenea spațiu redus, suntem foarte energici, ar trebui terenuri de fotbal sau o sală de sport, ceva pentru activități sportive. Fiind atât de mulți deținuți, sunt 8 camere pe această secție, iar pot izbucni conflicte aproape din orice.
They start bullying each other, and that eventually causes fights between them. So that's a threat to security. That's and everything that we are trying to make. All our efforts are useless if they do not have proper conditions for living and studying.
There are more than 800 inmates in Baku. 50 of them are minors. But things are about to change. These children are moving out of the prison cells to education centers. Baku will be reserved for 200 juveniles between the age of 18 and 21. They will serve their time in bigger and refurbished cells, made possible by funding from Norway grants.
We could spend 3.5 million euros for modernizing and improving the conditions in detention.
He is 19 and wants to learn something useful to be prepared for a life outside.
În primul rând să mă reabilitez, să-mi găsesc un serviciu, să stau cu minte acasă și în rest cam atât.
But there is only one classroom, and in addition, the lack of teachers makes it difficult to give education. With a new refurbished prison, all of this will change.
Basically, the EA Norway grants are about improving inmates' lives. So we're trying to build a better infrastructure. We are trying to have adequate programs for the inmates while they are serving their sentences, and we try to have better trained prison staff in order to deliver those programs.
Conditions for detainees in 2 prisons and at 52 police stations will be upgraded. Norway contributes with more than 8 million euros to improve the lives of prisoners in Romania.
Cu siguranță este cel mai bun lucru care ni s-ar putea oferi. Condiții mai bune, spațiu mai mare.
Iar pedeapsa care ni s-a dat inițial ar trece și mai ușor. Am putea să ne întoarcem mai repede la familiile noastre, fără a simți lucrurile care ne constrâng să stăm aici.
Într-un final să învățăm și ceva bun, dacă tot am ajuns aici, nu să ieșim mai răi decât am ajuns.